Have a beautiful day, viewers. My name is Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach. And today I am bringing you another insightful video. Today we will dive deep into the fascinating realm of electronics manufacturing. Whether you are novice trying to understand the basics or a seasoned professional looking to expand your knowledge, this video will offer something of value to you. Buckle up and let's begin our journey.
1. Understanding the basics of electronics manufacturing. Our first stop in this journey is understanding the basics of electronics manufacturing. Electronics manufacturing is a complex process that involves assembling electronic components, PCBs, and other electronic materials into complete functional systems. It's the heart of producing everything from your televisions, radios, and computers, to your mobile phones. Knowing its basics is like having a map on a treasure hunt. It guides you to the right path. 2. The role of automation in electronics manufacturing. Automation is revolutionizing electronics manufacturing, enhancing productivity, and minimizing errors. It's like having an army of robots on your side, helping you assemble complex electronic systems faster and more accurately than ever. 3. Essential components and materials in electronics production. Moving on, let's explore the backbone of electronics production, its essential components and materials. These include semiconductors, resistors, capacitors, and much more. They are the building blocks that make our modern electronic systems possible. 4. The process of PCB assembly in electronics manufacturing. Our next stop delves into the process of PCB assembly. The printed circuit board, or PCB, is the foundation on which electronic components are mounted. It's a masterpiece of engineering that undergoes various stages like soldering, placing components, and inspection before it's ready to be part of an electronic system. 5. Key principles of quality assurance in electronics manufacturing. Now, let's talk about the critical principles of quality assurance in electronics manufacturing. Quality assurance ensures that the final product meets the desired specifications and functions optimally. 6. The impact of electronics manufacturing on environmental sustainability. Modern electronics manufacturing processes are being optimized to minimize adverse environmental impacts, making the world a better place for future generations. 7. Advancements in electronics manufacturing technology. The recent advancements in electronics manufacturing technology, from AI-based quality checks to using 3D printing for creating components. These advancements are propelling the field into the future, making it an exciting time to be part of this industry. 8. The role of supply chain management in electronics manufacturing. A robust supply chain ensures the seamless flow of materials, right from sourcing components to delivering the final product, making it a critical aspect of successful electronics manufacturing. 9. Case study: how top electronics manufacturers maintain efficiency. To wrap up, we'll look at a case study detailing how top electronics manufacturers maintain efficiency. Through this, we can learn practical tips and strategies to implement in our businesses or professional lives. Samsung is known for its efficiency in manufacturing and is one of the world's leading electronics manufacturers. 10. The future of electronics manufacturing, trends and predictions. Electronic manufacturing is a dynamic, ever-evolving industry. It adapts to the latest trends and technologies to meet the increasing demand for advanced, high-quality electronic products. From the rise of smart factories to the use of nanotechnology, the future holds exciting prospects that we can't wait to explore. In conclusion, electronics manufacturing is a dynamic, rapidly evolving field. It requires in-depth expertise, advanced technology, and an unwavering commitment to quality. As a leader in this industry, we constantly strive to go above and beyond to meet your specific needs and expectations. Thank you for staying. Please hit the subscribe button and join our community.